So PDK just dropped PDK-IO 2.0, which is one of the biggest drops that they have ever had before. And they really benefit partners a lot. There's 4 different main topics. The first one is early configuration. And from what I hear, this is big for dealers.
Yeah, with the release of the new PDK 2.0, I know we're super excited about it on 2 levels, the sales side and the integration side for our technicians. From the sales side, I can create a commitment to get the process going as far as an install, and we can build everything pre-configured for our technicians, minimizing their downtime on site.
The second one is multi-site ready, meaning that multiple locations can all be synced under one account. This is also really big.
Multi-site gives you the ability to manage, program, and configure multiple cloud nodes or project sites at the same time within the same account. Adding credentials to multiple locations is as simple as adding it to one location. So it's super simple and simplifies the end user experience because they can view and manage multiple projects, multiple sites, all at one place at the same time.
In my opinion, number 3, System and Health Insights, might be one of the coolest things for a dealer because now they can do remote troubleshooting wherever they're at and really have an in-depth look at everything.
The new System and Health dashboard within PDK has been incredibly beneficial for Action First. If there's ever an issue, we can log into PDK under that customer and we can see in one screen everything that we need to know about the system, the uptime, the last time it was synced, and a bunch of other really good information. And we don't have to go to multiple screens to really dig around. We can just log in and it's all right there. And it really makes remote troubleshooting easier than it ever has been before.
And the last one is extended management, which is ultimately an offline mode, which brings a lot of safety and security to customers that are out there.
We're really excited about the extended management portion of the PDK 2.0 release. The reason being is you just kind of are at the mercy of the customer's network or their internet. If the system went down, you couldn't manage anything. Whereas with the new release, we're able to at least manage those changes, and then as the network comes back online, all those changes are just gonna populate and be working.
It's pretty sweet, right? And that's PDK-IO 2.0. Reach out to your salesperson here at PDK to learn more all about it.